drivers, make sure we're good. All right, today, ladies and gentlemen, we're shooting a big chase sequence similar to the ones you've just seen on the big screen, only we're shooting a brand new action-adventure film set in the south of France. All you need to know right now is that our hero is in a red car, and he has a top-secret envelope with him. Now, everybody else is just trying to prevent him from leaving town with this top-secret information. So that's the scenario. Kurt, drivers ready?
Great, the drivers are set.
All right, here we go. Let's slate, please.
Rolling ballet chase sequence 7A. Take one more.
All right, drivers, on my count in 3, 2, 1.
Action!